Stop paying $30 or $50 or even $100 a month just to track your business expenses. In 2026, you don't need a massive subscription to have clean books. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 accounting tools that are actually free, no monthly fees, no hidden catches, and no credit card required to start. Hi everyone, Janak here. On this channel, we do a lot of deep dives into Zoho and QuickBooks. They are industry leaders for a reason, but I've been reading your comments. Many of you are freelancers, side hustlers, or just starting your first startup. You want professional invoicing and bank feeds, but you don't want another monthly bill. I've spent the last month testing every free plan on the market to see which ones actually hold up in 2026. Let's get into it. Before we count down what makes a good free tool, I'm looking for 3 non-negotiables. First, unlimited invoicing. You shouldn't be capped on how many clients you can bill. Second, automated bank feeds, because manual entry is where mistakes happen. And third, professional reporting, because if it can't generate a profit and loss statement for tax time, it's not real accounting software. At number 5, we have ZipBooks. It is arguably the most beautiful and simple interface on this list. It's perfect if you just want to send a clean invoice and see a simple dashboard. The downside, the free starter plan limits your reporting and doesn't allow for multiple users. Great for the solo freelancer, but hard to scale. Next up is Zoho Books. This is a powerhouse. It has an incredible mobile app and automated workflows. The catch, it's only free if your business makes less than 50,000 a year. It's a great entry-level tool that grows with you. But once you hit that revenue cap, you'll have to start paying. For my tech-savvy DIY crowd, GnuCash is the winner. It is open source, which means it's free forever. No subscriptions, no data tracking. It's a true double entry system. However, the interface looks like it's from the 90s, and there's no cloud sync. If you want privacy and don't mind a learning curve, this is for you. Coming in at number 2 is Akaunting. It's a cloud-based, open-source platform that feels very modern. It offers a lot of features for free, but they use an app store model. You get the basics for $0, but if you want specific automations or inventory tools, you pay a one-time fee for an app. It's a great middle ground, and the number 1 spot for 2026 still belongs to Wave. Why? Because it offers unlimited invoicing, unlimited bank connections, and unlimited users, all for free. It's the closest thing to a zero killer for small businesses. It makes its money on payment processing, so if you just use it for bookkeeping, it costs you absolutely nothing. So what's the catch? Most of these tools make money when you use their credit card processing or their payroll features. If you manage your own payroll elsewhere, you can run your entire bookkeeping for free. Which one of these are you going to try? Or is there a hidden gem I missed? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this helped you save some money today, hit that subscribe button. I'm Janak, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.